Hello, my dear students, and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel, Educator Prerna. That's me, or as you popularly know me as English Wali Ma'am. So आज हमारी ये जो T20 सीरीज है इसका नेक्स्ट सेशन है जिसमें what are we going to study? We are going to be reading the second story from a particular chapter called Two Stories About Flying. इसका हमने पार्ट वन पढ़ा था कुछ दिन पहले wherein we read a story of a young seagull which was able to make its first flight. तो ये जो सेकंड स्टोरी है द ब्लैक एरोप्लेन, दिस इज अबाउट अ पायलट who is too excited to return back to his home. All right, but just when he is about to land the plane, there is a storm, and he is now confused and he's wanting to come out of the storm so that he can land the plane on time. So ये जो पायलट है क्या ये उस स्टॉर्म से बाहर आ पाता है, और अगर आ पाता है so how does that happen? All right, let's start reading this story. The moon was coming up in the east behind me and the stars were shining in the clear sky above me. There wasn't a cloud in the sky. I was happy to be alone high up above the sleeping countryside. I was flying my old Dakota aeroplane over France back to England. I was dreaming of my holiday and looking forward to being with my family. I looked at my watch, 1:30 in the morning. I should call Paris control soon, I thought. As I looked down past the nose of the airplane, I saw the lights of a big city in front of me. I switched on the radio and said, Paris control, Dakota DS088 here. Can you hear me? I'm on my way to England. Over. तो स्टोरी कैसे स्टार्ट होती है जहां पायलट बता रहा है दैट ही इज अबाउट टू लैंड इन इंग्लैंड एंड ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हिज एक्साइटमेंट of being on a holiday and meeting his family. The voice from the radio answered me immediately. DS088, I can hear you. You ought to turn 12 degrees west now. DS088 over. तो आपने देखा होगा कि किस तरह से जब किसी प्लेन को लैंड होना होता है तो किस तरह स्टेशन से उनको एक they have to coordinate with the station so that they land on the correct point. So यही conversation चल रही थी पायलट की लैंडिंग स्टेशन से. I checked the map and the compass, switched over to my second and last fuel tank, and turned the Dakota 12 degrees west towards England. I will be in time for breakfast, I thought. A good, big English breakfast. Everything was going well. It was an easy flight. तो जो पायलट है वो मनी मन बहुत खुश है that everything is going to be fine. मैं घर टाइम पे पहुंच जाऊंगा. I'm going to enjoy the breakfast with my family. Paris was about 150 kilometers behind me when I saw the clouds. Storm clouds. They were huge. They looked like black mountains standing in front of me across the sky. I knew I could not fly up and over them, and I did not have enough fuel to fly around them to the north or south. So while this pilot was lost in his thoughts कि मैं घर टाइम पे पहुंच जाऊंगा, फैमिली के साथ अच्छे से टाइम स्पेंड करूंगा, he suddenly saw storm clouds and he was like ये जो clouds हैं ना मैं इनके ऊपर से जा सकता हूँ ना मैं नीचे से जा सकता हूँ, मेरे पास फ्यूल की भी प्रॉब्लम है and ये इतने ज्यादा लग रहे हैं that I really cannot cross these clouds because they were completely black. I ought to go to Paris, I thought, but I wanted to get home. I wanted that breakfast. So pilot ने सोचा कि या तो मैं पेरिस रिटर्न कर लूं, but then he was like कि नहीं फिर मैं घर पहुंचने के लिए लेट हो जाऊंगा. I will take the risk, I thought, and flew that old Dakota straight into the storm. तो पायलट ने सोचा कि मैं ये रिस्क उठा लेता हूँ और मैं स्टॉर्म को पार कर लेता हूँ so that I can reach England on time. Inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. It was impossible to see anything outside the aeroplane. The old aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. I looked at the compass. जैसे प्लेन में कभी टर्बुलेंस होती है तो प्लेन कैसे हिलता है right? So this is exactly what was happening with the pilot's aeroplane. I could not believe my eyes. The compass was turning round and round and round. It was dead. The compass wasn't working. The other instruments were suddenly dead too. I tried the radio. Paris control, can you hear me? So पायलट जो था उसने कोशिश करी कि कोई तो जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट है वो चलना शुरू हो एरोप्लेन में so that I can contact the people at the station, at the control station. And he says there was no answer. The radio was dead too. I had no radio, no compass, and I could not see where I was. I was lost in the storm. Then, in the black clouds quite near me, I saw another aeroplane. It had no lights on its wings, but I could see it flying next to me through the storm. तो पायलट को सडनली एक और एरोप्लेन दिखा जो उसके पैरेलल उड़ रहा था. I could see the pilot's face turned towards me. I was very glad to see another person. He lifted one hand and waved. तो जो दूसरे प्लेन का पायलट था उसने इस पायलट को जो स्टॉर्म में फंसा हुआ था इसको ऐसे वेव किया अपना हाथ. Follow me, he was saying, follow me. He knows that I'm lost. I thought he's trying to help me. He turned his aeroplane slowly to the north in front of my Dakota so that it would be easier for me to follow him. So जो पायलट था उसको लगा कि ये जो दूसरा पायलट है he is going to actually help me come out of this storm. I was very happy to go behind the strange aeroplane like an obedient child. And obviously pilot के पास कोई option भी नहीं थी because all the instruments were dead. तो कहते हैं ना डूबते को तिनके का सहारा as we say. अब ये ना हिंदी के quotations इंग्लिश के आंसर्स में मत लिखना. These I tell you just to simplify the understanding of the chapter, okay? After half an hour, the strange black aeroplane was still there in front of me in the clouds. Now there was only enough fuel in the old Dakota's last tank to fly for 5 or 10 minutes more. I was starting to feel frightened again. तो प्लेन का जो फ्यूल था वो भी खत्म होता जा रहा था. But then he started to go down and I followed through the storm. तो जिस प्लेन का पायलट इस पायलट को हेल्प कर रहा था जो अपने घर जाना चाह रहा था सो उस पायलट का प्लेन ऐसे से नीचे जा रहा था तो ये जो स्टॉर्म में फंसा हुआ था पायलट इसने भी अपना प्लेन जो है धीरे धीरे नीचे लेके जाना शुरू कर दिया. Suddenly I came out of the clouds and saw two long straight lines of light in front of me. I was at the runway. It was a runway, an airport. I was safe. I turned to look for my friend in the black aeroplane, but the sky was empty. There was nothing there. The black aeroplane was gone. I could not see it anywhere. तो जैसे ही इस पायलट ने जब ये सेफली लैंड कर लिया इसने तो जैसे ही इसने मुड़ के देखा कि दूसरा प्लेन कहाँ है which has actually helped me come out of the storm. So the moment he turned वो दूसरा एरोप्लेन वहां पर था ही नहीं. वो ब्लैक एरोप्लेन वहां पर था ही नहीं. I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota near the control tower. I went and asked a woman in the control center where I was and who the other pilot was. I wanted to say thank you. She looked at me strangely and then laughed. Another aeroplane? Up there in the storm? No other aeroplanes were flying tonight. Yours was the only one I could see on the radar. तो जब वो कंट्रोल स्टेशन पे गया ये पायलट जो स्टॉर्म में फंस गया था जब वो नीचे गया उसने कहा वो दूसरे पायलट से अगर मेरी बात हो सकती है बिकॉज आई वांट टू से थैंक यू टू दिस पायलट. तो जो लेडी थी कंट्रोल स्टेशन पे व्हाट डिड शी से शी एक्चुअली लाफ्ड एंड शी सेड ऊपर आपके एरोप्लेन के अलावा कोई भी और एरोप्लेन था ही नहीं. So who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio and without any more fuel in my tanks? Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights? So कितनी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है कि एक इंसान प्रॉब्लम में फंस गया और किसी ने आके उसको प्रॉब्लम से हेल्प आउट किया, उस स्टॉर्म से निकलने के लिए हेल्प किया, बट the person is still wondering that who exactly was this person who helped me come out of the storm. Interesting story, और mysteries जो होती हैं वो हमेशा interesting ही होती हैं. So I hope all of you have understood this chapter, the black aeroplane. कल जब इसका next session होगा उसमें हम क्या करेंगे? Understand the important characters in the story, and of course along with that, what are the core values that we get from this particular story. Alright, till then do like, share and subscribe to Educator Prerna, and of course stay blessed. Thank you.